applying it in a different way. Sometimes we have incredible skill sets that we just don't know have amazing monetary results if you just shift them a quarter turn to the left. And so I took the skill set of being able to use social media in bartender land, build up that following, and taught entrepreneurs how to use their social media to get high ticket clients instead of just bar patrons, and was able to build out a coaching business that went from 0 to $1 million in my first 13 months through a Facebook group.
Okay, I have so many questions. I want to unpack that. So you're assisting businesses to go to monetize their social media posts and things like that. So did you start an agency, an ad agency?
For me, it was not an ad agency. It was just a Facebook group that I used to build out a coaching industry. So within that coaching mechanism, it was just us coming in and basically IP, where they would come through a 6-week training course that allowed them to develop everything. So I actually wasn't doing any of these done for you services. It was just them doing their own work.
Okay, perfect. So you created a methodology that you saw starting to work for you, and then you created a Facebook group that brought people in so that you could teach them your methodology. Is that right? Coach them through that?
Yep, they were able to take on that methodology that we were using in Bartenderland and then apply it to whatever their business was. So this could be something like health coaching, or like mindset coaching, or even done for you services. It works for that as well.
Gotcha. So this is all this, it's the secret sauce then. Is that what you're saying? There's some baked in secret sauce stuff that's working, and it's working across a lot of different industries.
Yeah, I mean, I think that, across the board, we all have our secret sauce, right? As being our true self and really being able to attract an audience full of people that, resonate with the way that we connect with the world. And so, yes, there is that thing of attraction and being in the space of allowing people to intuitively choose the best option for us. I think, sometimes we get caught up in trying to be what people want us to be instead of just being our true selves. And so allowing that true self to come through, of course, creates that repelling action, right? Where the people that don't align with us kind of get kicked of attraction with specific social media strategies that allow us to use the algorithm to our benefit.
Okay, so authentically aligned with who they are and their message. Like, walk me through what would this look like? Like, if I'm a prospective client for you, what would you be telling me?
So as clients come to the door, we really work on being your true self and eliminating your limiting belief patterns, the ones that kept you in believing that maybe you should make $5,000 or $10,000 a month, right? So it's realigning that belief structure and then building a personal brand that matches that. So we'll dial in the exact results that you have, and within those exact results, we will create a message around that connects with people who desire that. And what I do differently is that I don't go into this pain point marketing thing where, a lot of salespeople are going to tell you that you should poke people in the pain points, that you should tell them the worst case scenario that could happen if they don't buy your thing. But what I found in that was that really slows down the sales process. And even more than that, it slows down the results process on the back end. So rather than focusing on breaking people down to make them buy, to get inside, to only have to be the person that rebuilds that.